Hi everyone, my name is Wejian Michael. I am a life and a career coach, and today I'll be talking on something very, very important and vital for you, and that's mostly for students and fresh graduates. So I came to study through the system. I found out that most persons who graduate from the university spend about 5 years and more before they can get an average job, and that's really annoying. And people who even go as far as doing the masters, they struggle. But there are certain people who move on with life, and I want to share with you what I study about these people. Most of those people are skilled people. They are not the actually academically smart people, but they are skilled people. They are people who never looked at life very seriously. So if you have to succeed just after you graduate from the university, career-wise and financially, what you have to do is that is either you start learning a skill as a student, you start learning a skill, not just learning anything, but study the industry, find out how far this skill can be able to pay you. When you study the skills, you also, if you're a skilled person, you have to start studying very hard. Learn the skill, apply, do your internship. Anywhere you can apply your skill practically, it's very important that you do that while in school. Then the second people are the academical smart people. What do they have to do? They call them in the street line, they call them acada tested, So you know that your strength is in your brain. So what do you have to do? You have to fully start studying how to write a compelling CV, how to learn soft skills, how to learn valuable skills in your field. Let's say you're like me in the agricultural sector, you start learning not just the theory of raising broilers, but learning the practical way of raising your broiler chicken, the layers business, the selling, things like that. So you can choose to start consulting, writing proposal, learn this thing that the ordinary man cannot just easily learn. That's how you become sorted just after school. Either you choose to go into the career line, you learn how to get job, where to search for this job. You don't just fold your hands and wish for these things to happen, you make them happen. That's how you see, that's why you see that those of your friends who graduated, or those of you who have graduated, there are certain people that were not smart in school academically that came out with 4 grades, but they are doing very fine. Another thing that's very important that you need to sell your shame. Sell your shame. Sell your shame for the finance you desire. Why? Because there are certain jobs that will come out that might serve as a ladder or capital source for you, but because oh, I was that intelligent guy, people will laugh at me. How would they feel I'm doing this kind of job? So you just restrain from learning a new skill or doing a job that has a capacity to fend for your financial needs. So you have to start bringing yourself low, tell yourself this is not the class and this is life. So you have to bring down yourself and learn from people who are far ahead of you when it comes to life. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about you and your career.